Hi everyone, good morning. Am I audible? Okay, fine. So in yesterday class, we have discussed about script include examples. From that, we seen addition of two numbers. So we have created script include and we call that script include to business rule. Okay. In today class, also we are going to do some more script include examples. So now addition of two numbers example, I will do with script include and client script by using client script. Okay. Yes. Now I'm going to my parent table. Right, it's loading. Yes. Clicking on new button. Yes. You can see, for example, here I have entered 10, here I have entered 20, and I'm submitting it. Then we are getting result perfectly. Now I'm going to do it with client scripts. Okay, first of all, I'm deactivating business rule. False. Okay, perfect. Now I'm closing it. Again, I'm going to my parent table. So now I have deactivated that business rule functionality. Now I will do it with client scripts. Okay, I'm going to script include here. Under system definition, we have script includes. Okay, so my parent will write our client script name, script include name. Yes, I'm opening it. Now here I'm taking another function. Okay, now I'm taking another function saying that get addition 1. Get addition 1. Okay, function. So I'm remaining code is same. I'm copying it and I'm pasting here. Okay, this is different. We'll look into it. These two lines of code. Okay. Yes. Yes, I have script include and I have function. Okay, now I'm going to client script, configure client script, new. So here I'm saying get addition. Get addition. So desktop all, type onload client script. Sorry, here we have to do the on change client script, not onload client script. I'm refreshing one more time. Reload. Wait. Type is on change. Get addition. Get addition. Sorry, my type is all. Field name is, so maybe I'm selecting number 2. Field value change on the number 2. Okay. I want to execute this functionality on both while loading the form and while changing the field value. Okay. Now we know the yes. Now we know the script include, we know the function. I'm directly declaring glad where GA equal to new glad of script include name. What is script include name? My parent to tell. I'm copying it. I'm pasting here. Next, GA dot add param syspam PARM system underscore name comma function name. Okay, system underscore name comma function name. Get edition 1. Okay, yes. GA dot. So we have to send number 1 and number 2 values to the scripting clone. Okay. Now I'm doing J dot add param. We'll pass those 2 values there. Okay. Syspam underscore I'm saying num1. Syspam underscore num1 comma. So here I'm saying num1. Okay. Here I will declare number 1 variable where num1 equal to G underscore form dot get value of number 1. Okay, u underscore number 1. Like that, we have to process the number 2 also. Simply I'm copying it and I'm pasting here. So num2. Okay, yes. Now again you can come here. So this we have to provide in double quotes. Next, GA dot add param of syspam underscore num2 comma num2. Okay, got it? Yes. We are successfully sending num1 variable and number 2 variable to the script include. Yes. Here how we are going to receive this number 1 variable and number 2 variable. This dot get parameter of get parameter get parameter of. We had to copy paste this parameter name syspam underscore number 1. Okay. Here also same. This dot get parameter of syspam underscore num2. Syspam underscore num2. Okay, got it, everyone? Yes. We have successfully completed scripting too. 1 minute. Where I did mistake? You can see, guys. Could not say because JavaScript error at line number 80.
Closing number.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes. We missed closing braces. Okay. Now I'm saving it. Now we have to complete this scripting. Now we can come GA dot get XML of get edition. I'm saying something like this. Get edition. Okay. Yes. Function get edition of response. Get edition of response. Okay. Where result equal to responsc dot responsc xml dot document document element dot get attribute of answer. Okay, got it, everyone? Yes. Yes. In the result object, we are getting the result. Okay. That return value, script include return value. Now here I have to set the value of that result field. G underscore form dot set value of 1 u underscore result comma result. Okay, perfect. Now I'm saving this client script also. Now I'm saying this client script also. Now you can come, or you can open my parent table here. So you can see 1, 2. What it is getting 3. Okay, perfect. But you can see while loading the form, we are getting result is none. So I don't want this. I don't want this. Okay. Wait. Maybe script include side I will write if you know this, we already written from the previous example. Num1 equal to empty. If num2 equal to empty. Okay. If num1 equal to empty, no, I'm keeping num1 equal to 0. If num2 equal to empty, so I'm keeping num2 equal to 0. Got it, everyone? Yes, now I'm saving it. Now we will never get nan error with the result object. We'll never get nan error with the result. So you can see it is giving 0. That's fine. Okay, here I'm saying 1, here I'm saying 2. Here we are getting result 3. Perfect. Okay. Whenever I'm changing the value in number 2, then only I'm getting result. For example, I'm trying to change value in number 1. We are not getting result. So that's why I'm also writing same unchange client script on the number 1 field. Okay. Yes, I'm saying insert and stay. Now you can come and refresh. You can change either value in number 1 or number 2. Result will populate. So you can say I'm saying 1. Okay, it is populated. I'm saying 3. Yes, change. Here I'm saying 10, 13. Okay, got it. So here I'm saying 30. You can see. Got it. Got it, everyone? The value is changing frequently. Whenever we are changing the value, even in number 1 field and number 2 field. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? I'm writing the script to Notepad, the scripting to logic, and I'm also writing the client script program to Notepad. Copying it and I'm pasting here. Again, you can see, guys, with the same script we have written 2 times or not. Tell me, guys. With the same script we have written 2 times or not. Yes, we have written 2 times. If we go to the client scripts, leave. So you can see if we go to the client scripts, so we have 2 client scripts with the same logic. Yes or no? With the same logic, we have 2 client scripts, right? Yes, we have 2 client scripts with the same logic. Then we have to create a base script. So it's not best practice to keep same logic 2 times in the same table. Okay, that is not best practice. Now I'm going to create a base script, making it global. Addition on my parent. Latest on my parent. Okay, here I'm writing function addition. I will say ADDIDION addition. So simply what I will do, I will copy paste the entire logic. Okay. Yes, copying it. Where is our script? Yes, I'm pasting here. Format it. Okay. I'm saving this UI script. Now I'm taking this function called addition. I'm pasting here and saving it. Here also I'm coming and I'll copy paste that function calling. Okay, perfect. It will work. I'm saving it. Okay, guys, now you can come and you can see my parent. I'm clicking on new button. Yes. Number one, I'm saying 1. Number 2, I'm saying 2. Okay, 3. We are getting result 3. Perfect. Here I'm saying 10. Yes. You can see 12. So for example, here I'm giving 20. We are getting result. Even if you change the value in number 1 field or number 2 field, we are getting result. Perfect. Okay. So this also I will copy to Notepad. This is a script, by action script. I'm copying it and I'm pasting here. Same logic as so I have did in multiple ways. Same functionality. Okay. Copying it and pasting here. Any queries till now? Please tell me. So from the first example, you have any queries? Please tell me.
So this addition function you used in the client script, right?
Yes. Yes, I use addition function in the client script in UI action. Sorry,
Okay.
UI script in UI scripts I used. Okay.
Okay. Because we have multiple times the function repeated. Okay.
Yes, that's why I have written the logic in UI script and I'm calling that addition function in the business, so in the client scripts. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
perfect. Next, calculate duration of 2 dates. Calculate duration of 2 dates. Okay, yes. This example also we already did with business rules. Now we are going to do with script include and business rule. Script include and client script. Okay. So I'm deactivating this client script. It's okay. You can keep no problem. Business rules. I'm closing this. I'm closing this. Yes. Here you can come within the script include only. I'm writing new function. Get duration. I'm saying duration. Get duration function. Okay. Yes. Get duration function. I'm closing this also. So here I'm going. So here you can see we have start date and end date. Whenever we have start date and end date entered, we need to get the duration. Okay. I'm going to configure client scripts. Leave. Sorry. We'll go to the business rules first. Configure business rule. So new business rule. I'm typing. CALCULAT calculate. Wait. Duration. Saying calculate duration. So advanced before insert or update. Okay, anything is fine. Now you can come here. So both are server side scripting only. Business rule is server side scripting and script include is also a server side scripting. So where s date equal to current dot u underscore start date, where e date equal to current dot u underscore end underscore date. Okay, yes. Next, where maybe I'm saying result equal to where result equal to gs dot date diff of gs dot date diff of s date comma e date comma s date comma e date comma 2. I'm saying okay. Yes, you already know where days equal to, where days equal to, you can say, what it is, maybe I will say, yeah, maybe where days equal to result by 1 day equal to 86,400 seconds. Okay, days equal to, I'm making it to be two fixed. Days equal to days dot to fixed of 0. I after days, after point, I don't want any values. Okay, return days. Perfect. Okay, any queries here? I'm saving it. Okay, I'm saving it. Now, simply I'm going to business rule, I will call. So maybe advanced current dot set value of, maybe you can use like this, or maybe current dot duration underscore duration equal to, if you want to like that, that also fine, anything is fine. You underscore duration comma result, I'm saying result here. Okay, where result equal to, what, wait, new script include name dot function name. What is our function? Get duration. Copy, paste it here. Okay, everyone got it, what I have written here? Any queries with the script include or business rule? Yes, I'm saving this business rule. I'm also saving this script include as of now. Now I'm going to my parent table. So I will clicking on the button. Yes, start date, I selected 11, end date, I selected 12. Okay, we have 1 day duration here. Yes, we are getting 1 day duration, that's fine. Guys, so while doing this example with business rules, I hope, so we did the leave application duration also we did. That means, so here 11, 12, we apply leave for 2 days. It has to display 2 days here. So you know the code, you know that logic in the notepad. Okay, so you can also try those examples along with scripting tools. Okay, now I'm not going there. So you can do that examples also, and I also explained one that example, right? So excluding holidays, you can also try same logic with the script include. Okay, I'm not touching all those codes again because of we already discussed. Next, yes, with the business rule we did. Now I'm saving, I'm deactivating business rule, and now I will try to do it with clients. Okay, perfect. Yes, I'm closing this business rule. Directly I'm going to buy script basically. Okay, directly I'm going to buy script this time. Because of we have to call this two times, right? So on change start date, on change end date. That's why I'm directly creating my script here. The duration. Function. Calculate duration. Okay. Yes, where yes date equal to whereas date equal to g underscore form dot get value of. Is it okay directly writing your script, or can I write first of all, can I write it in the client scripts and can I come to here? Maybe first of all I will write client script and I will come to UI scripts. Yes, I'm going here, configure client scripts. Okay, yes, I'm going to new client script. get duration. So type is on change on end date I'm creating. Okay. Where s date equal to g underscore form dot get value of u underscore sta start underscore date. Okay. Where e date equal to g underscore form dot get value of u underscore end underscore date. Okay. Start date and date given next. We do the scripting include name. Then I'm directly creating where GA equal to included, that's all. Script included. What is script included? By parent utility. GA dot add paragraph function. Sys par underscore date. Comma function date. What is function name? So here we haven't declared a function for this client script because of here these two values are different, right? That's why we have to declare different function. Maybe get a duration one I'm declaring. Okay, get a duration one, and here this is we are not using current object. Okay, sorry. Yes, here I'm saying get duration one. GA dot add paragraph sys underscore estate comma estate ga dot add paragraph syspam underscore edate comma edate. Okay, ga dot. Yes, here we know these two values. Okay, s date and d date. There I'm writing. I'm coming to the script included. I'm writing here this dot get parameter of this spam underscore estate. Start get parameter of syspam underscore edit. Perfect. I'm saving this scripting to our scripting to this file now. Now you can come here ga dot get xml calculat calculate duration calculate duration. Okay, I'm saying like this. Function calculate duration RESPON as the response. Result equal to RESPON as data. XML dot data. Get FTTRIBU take the attribute of answer. G underscore form dot set value of underscore form dot set value of u underscore duration comma result. Okay, perfect. I'm saving it. Now I'm opening my parent. So now I'm not writing UI script and all. I'll look into it later. Yes. Now I'm selecting start date is 11 and date is 12. Right? We are not getting it. Duration is up. What happened? Here we are not getting result. Oh, maybe we made any spelling mistakes or something like that. Okay, we'll check that one. So you can see first of all scripting to get duration one. State the start get parameter of spam pa rm square state ed this start date diff of s date comma e date comma true days equal to result by 86,400 days equal to days start to fixed return days. That's fine, no mistakes here. Even you can also see guys, once go start date, once go end date, that's my parent util spam name s date e date response dot response xml dot document. Yes, here we have document element, not document. Okay, dot get attribute of answer. Now you can come and refresh here. Yes, and sorry, first of all I'm selecting start date is 11 and end date I'm selecting maybe 13. So we have two days duration. Okay, got it everyone. This is example with client script. So again, I'm not going to. I'm planning not to go for reverse scripts and creating another client script for start date. Okay, those all are time taking process. For first example, I already explained all this process, right? You can go ahead with that process. Okay, no, not required. Explaining everything every time. Okay. Yes. Next, I'm directly going to third example. Directly, I'm going to third example. One minute. Okay, third example. What it is? Populate employee email ID. Populate employee email ID. Okay. Yes. We will populate employee email ID first of all. And now, guys, these examples I'm directly doing by using Glide Ajax. Okay, remaining examples. So for two examples, you've already seen how to call scripting through to business rules. Okay. Yes. Populate employee email ID. Yes. Now I'm closing this. Yes. The script include I'm creating new function. Get email. Function. Okay. Now again, I'm going to client script. I'm taking duplicate. Configure client scripts. New client script. Get email. So desktop all. Okay, unchain the employee field. So I need to execute this logic and both clients unloading and unchain. Where emp equal to g underscore form dot get value of u underscore employee. Where GA equal to new Glide Ajax of script include parent data. Okay. GA dot param system underscore name comma function name. What is function name? Get email. Next. So here you can say GA dot add param system comma sys PARM system comma EMP system EMP comma EMP. Okay, perfect. Yes, here we are passing employee details. Now I'm going to the script include. Here I will get that employee details. Var emp equal to this dot get parameter of so syspan underscore en. Okay, yes, here we are getting employee sysID. If we are getting employee sysID, it is easy to get the employee email address, right? Yes. Now you can come. I'm writing client record and the user table where gr equal to new client record of sys underscore user. Okay, gr dot add Korea. Okay, sysID comma emp. Okay, yes, gr dot query. So here we are talking about only single record. That's why I'm writing if condition instead of while. Okay, gr dot next. Yes. Where email equal to gr dot email. Okay, where email equal to gr dot email. Finally, I'm returning the return email. Okay, email returning the email. Any queries from the script include function? Script include function get email function. Any queries? You can see the logic for 1 minute maybe. Okay, fine. Yes, our script include is completed now. Now I'm going to client script again. ga dot get xml of emp lo by email get employee email. I'm saying like this function. Okay. Yes. Function get employee email of response 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 where result equal to responsc dot responsc xml dot document dot get tt ribut get
Wow. There is a spelling mistake in document element.
okay document okay. Perfect. So you can see next g underscore form dot set value of result. So u underscore email comma result. Got it, everyone? So this is on change clients. Sorry, we have to write this inside the function only. Any queries, guys, from this client script? Saving it first of all. Even this script include also I will save it. So you can see the logic. Any queries? You can see logic for 1 minute. Okay, fine. Now you can see the result, how it is working and all. So you can come and refresh here. Yes, we are getting email ID or not? Yes. Now I'm selecting maybe Anji user. You can see we are getting the Anji's employee, Anji's email ID. Okay. I'm copying this logic to Notepad. Paste it. Okay. And client script also. Okay. paste it. Okay. Next example, you can see populate current logged in user details while loading the form by using the default value. Okay. So this my example, my explanation is completed. I'm deactivating this line script. Okay. So I'm saving it. Now we can see now our requirement is by using the default value in the configuration dictionary for every field. I want to populate all these details. Okay. Yes, we have already written default value for employee. We will check first of all that one. How we have it. JavaScript colon gs dot get user ID. Okay. Right. So default value. So wait. Yes. So it is taking automatically, no problem. By mistake. Yes. So how we have written for employee? I will note down all those things. Okay. JavaScript colon gs dot get user ID. Gs dot get user ID. JavaScript 1 minute. This I will copy paste remaining values. Okay. Yes. Now I want to retrieve default logged in user employee email address. Now I'm going to configuration dictionary. So default value. Right. Yes, here I'm giving JavaScript colon gs dot get user dot get user dot get record dot get value of email. Okay, we have to write like I'm copying it. Oh, here I missed the double quotes. Copying it. I'm pasting here. Update. Okay, perfect. Now I want to get phone number of current login user. Maybe this current login user have phone number or not. No, he doesn't have phone number. And even he doesn't have manager location and all. So maybe I will give first all these details to system administrator. Okay. Here I'm giving 9640376. We'll also say +9 on here. 196. Okay. Manager maybe I will tutor or India company maybe agent. Oh my God, we don't have that company. IBM. Yes, cost center finance I'm giving. Okay, and I'm saving the system administrator details. Yes. I'm closing this user record. Okay, yes, you can come here. Now I want to populate current login user phone number. Okay. So you can simply see how the way I'm writing default values for different fields. Okay, different user fields. gs dot get user dot get record dot get value of. So what we have to provide mobile phone. MOBIL mobile so mobile phone. Okay, I'm copying it, not writing it. Okay, I'm saving it. Close it, and you can come and you can open my parent table. Mobile phone also auto populate there by loading the form. Yes, sequence. What happened to the phone? Phone is not populating still. What we made mistake? Configuration dictionary I'm going. So you can see guys, any mistakes here? JavaScript. Java JVSC colon JS dot get user dot get record dot get VAL mobile underscore phone. It is correct only. Why data is not populating? Mobile underscore phone. So generally it has to populate, but it is not populating. We can check copying it. Configuration dictionary. Java JS dot get user dot get record. Get value of mobile underscore. Wait. Why? Wait. Why it is not populating? So you can see guys, this data is not populating. Maybe I will convert it to toString. Dot to string dot toString. Okay, I'm updating. It has to work actually. Okay. So we don't have made any mistake. We will check later. Maybe we can also populate manager and location details. I'm going to configuration dictionary. JavaScript colon GES dot get user dot get record dot get value of manager. Manager. Okay, I'm updating it. Now you can see you will get the manager value. We'll see this app. Okay. Okay. So we'll try like this. Okay, we'll try like this. For mobile phone, what we have to. Yes, maybe we can try like this. So previously, we didn't get any this kind of errors. Maybe with the Utah, we are getting. So I'm going to configuration dictionary again. Get manager. What it is giving invalidity. You can also try for location. We'll say what happening with location. Okay. Default value. JavaScript colon gs dot get user dot get record. Location. Control C. Yes.
Location field name you underscore location, right?
Sorry.
Location name backend you underscore location, right?
No. Location only. So get record method here also is not working. Maybe we'll say get location. I'll try to save this. No, invalid update. Okay, guys. So maybe after some time I will look into this why this data is not coming. Okay. So first of all, I will show you this from the background script. You can also check this with background script whether it is working or not. Where manager, I will say manage here manager equal to gs dot get user dot get record dot get value of manager. Okay, we can see. So at least here it is working or not. Okay, print manager. Here it has to return the manager setting. Now we are returning get user yes dot get record dot get value of manager. Okay, fine. Yeah, that's fine. I will see this in later classes. Okay, here it is not giving a proper result. So again, I'm going to my parent. So first of all, I will remove all those default values there. Okay. So here I'm removing email. I'm removing default value, not configuration external. So actually, it has to work. The same script. There is no issues with our script. Okay. But I don't know why we are getting those errors. I have to check again. Date. Email, I have removed default value. For phone also, I'm removing default value. Manager, I'm not configuration dictionary. Delete. Date. Location. Configuration dictionary. Here we don't have it. So generally, will not, so for example, this is employee field. Under that, we have all employee related fields. Okay. So generally, we will not keep default value for each and every field. Okay. Instead of that, we will write scripting code. So generally, I plan to show you how to provide default value for each and every field of employee, but it is not working as of now. Maybe I will check later and I will tell you. Okay. Next example. So, but format is like this only, Okay. Next, you can see populate employee data by using string. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to script include the system definition has script include my parent entity. Comma get employee data function get employee data function. Okay. Yes. Here we have scripting to name function name. Then I'm directly going to the client script. Configure client scripts. I'm going to create new client script here. Get emplo by employee data. I'm saying get employee data. So the get default type I'm selecting on change on employee field. Okay. Where is employee? Here it is there. So you can say where emp equal to g underscore form dot get value of scripting to sorry u underscore employee employee. Okay. Next, where ga equal to nuclear ajax of scripting to name. Ajax of scripting to name. This is my parent util is scripting to name. Okay. Yes. Next, ga dot add param of sys spam underscore name comma function name get employee data. Okay, perfect. Next, ga dot add param of we have to send this employee sysid to script include. Okay, sys spam underscore emp comma emp. Okay, yes. Here we know this. Here we are passing the sysid of employee to script include. Now I'm going to script include. I will receive that value sysid employee sysid emp equal to this dot get parameter of sys spam underscore emp. Okay, so here we know the user sysid. Then directly I'm writing glad record where gr equal to new glad record of user table sys underscore user. Okay, gr dot add query of sysid comma emp. Okay, in the employee object we are getting the sysid of employee. Gr dot query if condition I'm writing gr dot next. Here you can see where email equal to directly I'm writing where email equal to gr dot email, where phone equal to gr dot mobile underscore phone. Okay, where manager equal to gr dot manager manager, where location equal to gr dot location. Okay, got it everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? Here I am receiving the all the values. Okay, email, phone, manager, location values. Here I am returning all these values, email. So I will separate with comma, some comma operator, okay, plus phone plus manager, comma plus the location. Okay, got it, everyone? Yes, I'm returning like this, and I'm saving this get employee data scripting code. Now we can come here, ga dot get. Guys, in interviews they will ask the question how to use Gladajax and scripting code. You can tell me one example. However, I'm navigating to scripting code and client scripts parallelly. You have to answer like that only. That is the best practice. Okay. Get, I'm saying EMP data. Maybe I'm saying EMP data. Okay. Function here, get EMP data. So RESPO NSC response. Where result equal to RESPO NSC dot RESPO NSC SML dot DOCU MENT document ELEMENT dot get ATTRABUT get attribute of answer ANSWR answer. Okay, yes. Now here you can see. First of all, I will alert what we are getting in the result. Okay, first I will alert the result. I'm saving this client vector. Now you can open my parent table. Okay, I think script include already saved. New. What we are receiving in alert? Tell me, guys. Yes, we are receiving email, mobile, manager SysID and location SysID. Yes or no? With the comma separator. With comma separator. So now I have to split that data. Now I have to split that data by using split method. So result equal to result dot split off. You know, right? Split function for converting string to array. Split function will help us. Okay, with comma separation I'm splitting. Now you can see g underscore form dot set value of I will say u underscore comma result dot. Okay, so we have to get 4 values, right? That's why I'm copying it 4 times 2, 3, 4. Okay, yes. Here u underscore email result dot email. No, not result dot LT of 0, result of 0. Okay, not dot here actually. Okay, u underscore phone result of 1, u underscore manager result of 2, u underscore location. Okay, result of 3. I'm saving it. I'm formatting the code and I'm saving it. You can see how it will work. So basically, after splitting that string, array of 0 contains email, array of 1 contains phone number, array of 2 contains manager SysID, array of 3 contains location SysID. Okay, you can come and refresh. You can come and refresh here. Right. Perfect. We are getting data or not? Got it, everyone? Yes or no? So any queries from this example? So I'm copying the script include to Notepad. And I'm also copying this client script to Notepad. Any queries, please let me know. Saving. Yes, any queries. My explanation is completed and I'm deactivating this because of next example is also populating employee data only. That's why I did like that. Okay. Next example, you can see populate employee data by using array. Populate employee data by using array. 1 minute. So whatever the script deactivated, I will keep same. Okay. Yes, I'm keeping same. And I'm going to my parent detail. So I'm copying it and then paste it here. Get employee data 1. I will say get employee data 1. Okay. So here also in the client script also I will say get employee data 1. I'm saving it. Now you can see previously we have sent data in the string format. Okay. Now we are going to send data in the array format. Here I'm declaring one array where data equal to. Okay, in array I'm declaring. So here you can come. Yes, I'm removing these 4 lines. Data dot push off, data dot push off, gr dot get value of email. Okay, you want email. Data dot push off, gr dot get value of phone, mobile phone. Wait, mobile underscore phone. Okay, next, wait. Data dot push off, gr dot get value of manager, data dot push off, gr dot get value of location. Okay, perfect. So now I'm pushing all the data to array. So if it is array, we have to encode this array here, like data equal to new global dot json dot encode of data. Got it, everyone? So here I have encoded this array. Here I have encoded this array. Then only it will pass to client script. Finally, I'm saying return data. Any queries from this script include get employee data 1 function? Please let me know. Can you look into code for 1 minute? Okay. Yes, first of all, I will save the script include. Now you can come here. So in the client script, we can say we have to evaluate that JSON. Okay. So result equal to result dot eval JSON, eval eval JSON. So we have to do like this. What happening? JSON eval JSON. Okay, perfect. Remaining code is same. Okay, remaining logic is same. I'm saving this client script. I'm saving this scripting code also. Okay. Now you can come and refresh here. The data will populate successfully. Wait. 1 minute. What happened? wait. I will change the value here. We'll check. So data is not populating. Maybe we made some mistake. No, data is not populating. You can come here. You can see we made any mistakes here. Get employee data one function where data where a em equal to nuclear record of study. Data dot push off email mobile manager location new global dot json dot encode. Okay. I think here we have parenthesis. I'm saving it and come and refresh again here. Reload. Yes, perfect. Yes, I made this mistake. Okay. Like I missed this parenthesis. That's why it is not working. Okay, so here we have encoded the JSON. Sorry, we have encoded the array. Here we are evaluating that array to evaluating that array to encoded array to normal array. I mean decoded array, you can say. Okay. So if you want to know about this eval JSON and this one, so you can go to the Google and you can see you will get multiple results. Okay. For example, eval JSON. What is eval JSON? In Servicenow maybe. 1 minute. Maybe I will say eval JSON of JavaScript. You will get. You can see prototype eval JSON method, what it will do. So you can see this method evaluate JSON in the string and returns the resulting object. If the optionals and so you can see this content and example, you will get better understanding. Okay. So basically, this method evaluates the JSON in the string and returns the resulting object. If the optional set to the string is checked for the possible necklace elements and eval is not called. So up to here you can see remaining is not related. Okay, up to here you can see. Otherwise you can go to the another one. This is error. JSON how to, yeah, you can go to Google and you can Google it if you want more information about this. Okay, this is for encoding array, and for encoding JSON also we'll use same line. Okay. Yes, I will copy this get employee data one and I will bring it to Notepad. Yes. Copy it. Paste it here. Any queries, guys, please let me know. We have 7 minutes time. I'm stopping class here for today. Tomorrow I will explain 7th example, 8th example, and 9th example. We have time. I will start with if by action. Okay, I will start with if by action. Yes, I'm able to explain 7th example also as of now. It's not required. It's very, very important. We will do it in tomorrow. Okay. Yes, I'm stopping the recording.